As a company, we worked with several developers and development companies, and the one thing that's always consistent is, that they give timelines and they always get pushed back. That seems to be the one consistency when working with developers. And one thing that we were really impressed with on the project that we worked with on Hidden Mountain Data is they gave us a timeline and the deliverables, and they hit those timelines every time. And that was the biggest win for us and what impressed us immensely.
Tony Thomas with IntelliScience Corporation.
Joe Del Toso, IntelliScience Corporation.
Ryan Craig, founder of Coop.
Chris Pugh, CEO of Always Connect Solutions.
So Mike Tisdale, and my company's name, Syndro.
I value their professionalism and their project management. I have a degree in electronic engineering and about 10 years in that profession, and about another 25 to 30 in software. So I've been in a lot of projects and a lot of teams, and I find the Hidden Mountain Data team to be one of my favorite teams to ever work with.
What I appreciate most about Hidden Mountain Data, and there's a lot of things that I really appreciate about what they do, is that they listen to what we tell them and what we need, and that they're a true partner with us in regard to what we're trying to do as a company with our customers.
I've worked with a lot of groups, a lot of different agencies, and the biggest thing I've valued working with these guys is transparency. When they say they're going to do something, they do it. You don't get the overpromise, underdeliver. Unfortunately, I've had that experience with other groups. If they can't do something, they'll tell you, and we'll work through the problem and whiteboard it. But they typically, they've always delivered for me, but I just really value the honesty and transparency through the whole process.
A lot of it I would say is knowledge. Originally, when I started working with Hidden Mountain, it was just Brian. Absolute legend, knows only I thought even existed. But then as he continued to expand and add onto the team, it's, you have somebody that's better at the UX or UI, and then you have somebody that's better at AWS, you have somebody that's better at the back end. And just having all of that kind of brought together has been hugely helpful.
I've worked with a lot of different development companies and had some good and not so great experiences, and these guys hands down have been the best that I've worked with.
One of the things that we liked inside, met Brian locally here in Boise, and got to know him through some other ventures. And as we got talking about what we wanted to do and what we're looking into do, they weren't sure how to implement or the process that would do it. And anyways, and Brian had all those answers with Hidden Mountain Data, and so we were able to jump in and get that taken care of, and it worked out perfect for us.